We are live right now. Streaming software. Boom. Boom. Copy link. Boom. All right. Clean touch of the 20. Boom. Did take a little bit of liquidity here. Looking for a low risk pre-market entry. The whatchamacallit? Nope. Cool, not gonna happen. No man. Okay, nice impulse up here. Like I said, we swept a little liquidity here. Inside up close right there. That's a nice low risk pre-market entry. Snap down. I will take a snap down long if I get a reversal here. Actually, this is a no signal. Let's see what we got. Analytics. So we're back at the 20. This is kind of interesting. Just check where market closed at. So we're just barely gapping down. Barely gapping down. Doesn't look like I'm going to get any kind of trigger here. So this is a little gambling, a little too much gambling for me. So I'm not going to trade this directly at the open. Yeah, it could go either way. We're right below the descending 20, but we're got a nice impulse up. Let's see. I'll put a open range gap on here. Just for reference point. This long trigger there. Yeah, no need to gamble here. Check. Test 1, 2. Oh, it's some kind of weird hair thing going here. What the heck? Relative equal lows, actually. Right here. Let's take this, swing this to 50. Nice kind of short there. Still a little too much gambling near the open. I do like this wick at this 50 short to take these lows. Cliffhanger, boom, perfect. Now I do like this long actually. Gotta be really careful here. We got first regular trade hour swing is right here. Consequent encroachment of daily wick here. Liquidity taken there. Did the first minute candle created an imbalance? All right, so we have our initial imbalance here. I'll leave it like that. Technically, it could be this. Clean touch of this 20 period. Just gotta feel like you want to see a push up here. Inside up close candle, possibly. Right there, it was inside for a moment. Bull flag. We got the 5 minute, the 1 minute, the 30-second on the left, and I'm looking at the 15-second here. Yeah, I like this. I like this for inside up close on the 1 minute. I'm about to say I like this for a long, but I need a little bit need a trigger here. Short signal right there. Pretty nice looking short signal. Just have to take it easy and read the tape. Read the tape. Got to be able to see into the matrix, you know what I'm saying? Don't want to gamble on this 20 to fail just yet. We're at the top of the initial imbalance. Yeah, I like this actually. I knew it. Something hard to bet against this moving average, but kind of did. I kind of did. That's why I wasn't interested in this short signal. Liked that we snagged this liquidity. I actually like this as a reversal here. This makes a lot of sense to me. Where are we actually going is a question I don't know the answer to just yet. New day opening gap. Let's see, long, short. New day opening gap, London high, midnight. Interesting spot to play a continuation. A little bit of a cliffhanger. Pull back into initial imbalance. Snap back down into this area would be nice. Just going over my open and initial imbalance. So this is where I said, long trend day could start from this area. Clean short signal for a moment there. That was pretty clean for a moment there. So what are we at the top of the daily? No, we are at the, what is this? Huh. I don't know why the daily's giving me that level. Let's take that off. Distracted me. Moving average is trying to hold here. This is the 200 period moving average based on the 1 minute chart. Very nice. Nice wick there. Not going to be suckered into that wick. Going to let it pull back a little bit more. Inside up close, maybe? Almost. Okay, and we're in the initial imbalance now.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Small risk. I like this trigger, initial imbalance here. I will take another long here if I get it. Inside up close. All right, we're at the 50. Will price reverse all the way back down? Looks like it might. A little bit of a seek and destroy action here. Highs, lows, maybe lows. Big old wick. Trying to respect the initial imbalance, but it just fails. So hard to say here. Inside up close, I'm inclined to still try to take this long. Initial imbalance didn't fill the gap. Didn't quite get to new day opening gap. Interesting price action. Interesting price action. More inclined to take this short now. Cliffhanger. Let's measure 50% of this. Pulling back into the initial imbalance. Need some kind of trigger. 50% of the range so far today. Pulling back on less volume.
Order rejected.
Why is the order rejected?
Order rejected.
Why is my order freaking rejected? Oh, I think I might have. Oh my God, I have a daily loss limit set on this account. Back from when I was trading micros, I think. Let's just check it out. here. I think that might be what's happening. Just logging in here, trying to update my daily loss limit. That's really funny. I hadn't hit it, so I hadn't needed it, so I forgot I had it. Let's see, security, preferences, profile, accounts, risk settings. Here we go. Daily loss limit 200. Boom. Weekly loss limit 600. Boom. Let me turn those off. Save. Boom. Exit out. Now I gotta close this, I believe. Let's just see. Reopen it. All right, come on. All right, now let's see if it is going to allow me to get active here again. I wanted this short, which is playing out nicely. All good. All good. That's funny. I wonder if that's what saved me from a bigger loss yesterday. Mm. Tried to go long here. That kind of makes sense. It's a little aggressive first. Taking a pullback short here is pretty nice. Let's see, one more push up here, I think. Really frustrate these shorts. They're like, oh, just go here. Just take this level. Just take it. Very painful to not get rewarded in that instance. All right. Tempting to take that short, but not a super clean trigger. Got an inside up forming on the 5-minute. Almost ready to go short here. Just letting the chicken cook in the pot a little bit longer. There we go. So I've taken it because of the small candle. I mean, look at that doji. Okay. This tiny candle, this could have failed completely. Taking it again because I was so close. Really trying to protect this account here. Just fail. Just fail. Just fail. Could have gave it a little bit more room. to go. It's very likely going to go here. Just really protecting this account. Oh, equal lows. Oh man, these shorts are just. Dude, imagine if I would have held and it would have stopped me out. I mean, what are you gonna do, bro? You just gotta resist turning into a crazy person and going crazy. Chaos. The beauty of the chaos of the thing. Tempting to take this short. I think that would be a mistake. A lot of inducement happening here at this level. I think we're gonna tap this one more time and then peace off, peace out to the moon. All right, so ugly looking signal on the 1 minute long. Nothing interesting forming on the 5 minute.
Order filled.
Very, very funny.
Order cancelled.
Very, very funny.
Order filled.
I'm getting in the over trading category a little bit, but I really see this failing here. I really do. Can I say? And I want to be in it.
Order cancelled.
Okay. Just another day in the market. Yep, that's what I knew was going to happen. I should have gave it room.
Order filled.
Consequent encroachment of the wick. All
Order
right.
cancelled.
All right. That was bad trading. That was like FOMO slash revenge slash I don't know what that was. I missed this move like contrary, but I really do think it's going to play it long here. I just really needed a signal.
Order filled.
Inside up close, this is actually a signal. I think we're going up here too. Just let it ride. No, that's not how you do it. I'm gonna be willing to get stopped out break even here. If I'm doing it, other times I can't really be trading my styles, switching my style up. So
Order cancelled. Order filled.
okay, willing to get back in because I like the look of that candle. That's actually a long trigger here. Willing to get stopped out break even to protect the downside, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to fight to get back in the trade. I like this to fully reverse on the day. $400 something bucks.
Order cancelled.
Gonna be a scrappy day here. I'm gonna fight this account. I'm either gonna fight to pass it or I'm gonna fight to fail it. Let's see what we got. Inside up close forming on the 5 minute. Inside up close already formed on a 1 minute. This is a type of bear flag, so gotta be a little careful here. Yeah, let this fail. Give me the 50% long signal, and I'm gonna take it. This is my day. I can trade this market. I think I can trade this market. Pulling back on less volume. Long trigger here. Nice execution there. Got in right at the close of that trigger bar. Okay, got out break even. Didn't like this reversal pin. It's so tempting. I'm trading, even going for too much. Let's go for, where's 40-40 here? Let's go 40-40. Nice. Yeah, this is what I see happening. See this? This is what I saw. Down and then reverse on the day. Could be wrong. Want to be careful. Might want to take a short here, actually. At the 20 period moving average. Inside down close. Inside down close. Eager longs are going to be really sad if we sell off here. Probably get one more push out of this though. Although we did just take this liquidity, did we not? I think we just took this. Okay, so just reset here a little bit over trading. No big deal. A little frustrating. Hard to trade with these super tight stops and break even. I'm trying to pass this account. It's a little bit different kind of trading. Say more difficult for sure. All right. Now, probably not a bad idea to take a short signal if I get one here. Even though I said I was going to reverse on the day, probably get a reaction from this 20. Inside down, small risk. Inside down, small risk. 110 bucks. Take it. That's how I have to trade. That's how I have to trade. I'll just grind this baby up. A pullback to the 50 here long is on the menu. Aggressive wick entry? Nah. Maybe. Nah. That's a down dib. This candle gap down. Dib is a directional imbalance. Consequent encroachment. Regular trading hours. See, interesting right there. Inside up. That's interesting. Big candle, low volume. Want to see this manipulated a little bit. Yep. Actually, decent volume did come in. interesting. Inside up close did close on the 5 minute a couple minutes ago. We're inside up on the 1. Weird, weird sideways action here. Want to see it fail to here, put in a long signal, and then I'll get long. Yep, I like this. Equal lows I don't like as much, but it could be. It's possible. No, almost no wick on this candle. And this is a gap down too. Yep, could be. Could be equal lows. Here we go. Not gonna force this. Definitely need a trigger of some kind. Don't want to force this. Nice wick. There we go. Close up. Close up. I'll take it. That's a signal. Now I'll just let this play out. This is a nice trigger in a nice area. Perfect execution. You know, it's fine. I'm just going to hold it. 10 points. You got a bear flag. I mean, a bull flag. Could definitely see it spiking up to here. I'll go break even if we get to 300 open P&L. Okay. Tiny risk. Love to trade. Love that trade. Good risk to reward. Good placement. Clean trigger. Big volume. Interesting here, huh? I got short right at the top of this. We can be a little patient and hang on. Sit through this wild business. Really am a scalper at heart. I like to hit it and quit it. Nice wicks on the 30 and the 1 minute here with that candle. I'm going to take this little tiny inside bar, and I like the wicks on the other candles. I like this to hold for inducement. I just, for some reason, I think we're going to pop on the day one more time. Took a little something. Didn't like how long it was taking. Should have pushed up. The next level I like was this yesterday's low is here. Yeah, we're still inside of the yesterday's range. Makes for some tricky trading. I've been reading the market pretty good. It's just tactically hard to profit trading this way from it, meaning essentially trying to keep your risk minuscule. Sell a push back up into this bar, possibly. This big bar fully reversed right here. High probability of a continuation down. Getting into Chop City here. Keep going.
Stop fill. Order cancelled.
20 bucks. Fuck, I knew it. It keeps happening. That's interesting. What the lesson is there? Inside up close. Probably going for yesterday's lows. That's what I was thinking. Got to get a little bit more comfortable with the risk being on at the onset of a trade. I mean, if I'm going break even super aggressive, it's really putting the odds against me. Inside up close here. Can't pick this bottom. Can I? This short should have paid me very nicely. Cool, are you going to be good? All right. Well, my friends, have to stay in the good fight here. Right at this moving average was clean. Yeah, this does make a lot of sense, actually. Second signal. First signal, almost a second signal. Didn't quite get it on the 15-second. It is printing bottom left corner of the screen on the 30-second. Here and here, I will play for long. Inside up close, tempting. $22, $124. Inside up close is pushing up. Just very easy for this to fail again to about this level. Gotta be easy on myself. This is extremely hard what I'm trying to do. And I'm reading this pretty good overall. I haven't really been wrong. Just this type of trading with immediate break evens and super type stops, it's extremely difficult. So, all things considered, I'm okay with my performance so far. Honestly. A lot of things to be reassured about. Short signal from here is looking good to me still. Let's not get caught without proper lines here. Nice. This is 50% of this. Clean. Actually, do like this to push up a little bit. Decent spot to try to pick a bottom or pick a place for the market to have a reaction from. I'll take a super aggressive wick entry there. Maybe
Order filled.
give it a little room. Bottom of this channel. A couple other confluences here. It's a little too much momentum. A little bit of a silly trade. Oh no. I bought too many. Inside up close. Okay, I had to fix it fast. Let's see, I'm going to go for... I'm going to go for this to have a big push up here. As we're going for the yesterday's low. Right off the bat. All right, I'm going to be back. I'm going to let this trade play out however it does, and I'll be right back. All right. Well, let's see. It's testing me here. We're probably going for yesterday's low, which is right here, down around 22,102.75. Let's see. Open market set chart values. 22,102.75. Another long signal here. Interesting. Micro double bottom. Clean signal on the 30, and we got one on the 1 minute. Inside up on the 5 minute forming. Will the market stay inside before FOMC? Let's see, inside down close. I want to take a short trade just because I still think we're going for yesterday's lows. Overall selling pressure. Probably longs getting trapped here. This is a short signal. Risk is tight. Nice target down here. If I can trail to get yesterday's lows, that would be great. Gonna give it a little bit of room. Been choking my trades off too early. Give it a little bit of room to fail here. Can fail fast because we're still, this is a thing going on. So these big, fast failures can still, like this, can still happen here. Got A, B, C retracement. I'm going to go one more tick up just to be careful. Don't want to get stopped by one tick. Okay, no worries. I don't mind that trade actually. Going up on below average volume. Little FOMO'd into that one. I wanted to get... Dang, I hit my daily loss limit. Freaking annoying. That's an annoying day right there. So I wasn't necessarily wrong. I just was trading in a style that's so hard to do. I mean, basically trying to trade without risk. And the cost is that you hit your max daily loss because the risk of trading without risk is really high actually, or attempting to trade without risk. If I had let most of my trades breathe today, I would have probably had an easy day. But I'm trading an eval account and I'm trying to push it and just not the way that I do. This is not the way I trade normally. So on that note, I am going to not sure what to do. Might be smart to stop trading for the day. Yeah, probably. I mean, I feel like I'm okay with the way the day went, all things considered. Like I'm not really on tilt. Just doing some aggravating-ish type of trading. Pick this to be the bottom. Stop by one tick. It's pushing up. Yeah, I could analyze this all day. I probably should just quit because whether I want to think so or not, I'm probably not in the optimal state. So I'm going to call it. All right. That's it for me today. Peace out.